Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is on finding critical points from standard form. Let's review what standard form looks like. Here we have the quadratic standard form. The first thing we're going to learn how to find is the vertex. To find the vertex, the x value will be the opposite of b over 2a. And then to find the y value, we're actually going to plug in that value into the x's of the equation to figure out what the y value is at that corresponding point. The axis of symmetry, remember the axis of symmetry is the equation of a line, and that is going to be x equals the opposite of b over 2a. And then we'll also be able to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0 and then whatever the c value of the standard form equation is. Let's take a look at our first example. So the first thing I like to do is list out our a, b, and c. Our a is 1, our b is 4, and our c is -5. So to find the vertex, we're going to use that formula, the opposite of b over 2a. So the opposite of b is going to be -4, since b is +4, over 2 times 1. That will simplify to -4 over 2, which simplifies to -2. This is the x value of our vertex. To figure out the y value of our vertex, we have to plug this into all of the x's of the equation. So I'm going to substitute this into all of the x's. And -2 squared is 4. 4 times -2 is -8. And then drop down the -5. 4 minus 8 minus 5 is -9. So our vertex is at -2, 9. The axis of symmetry, we could use the formula, but we also know that it goes through the x value of our vertex. So it's going to be x equals -2. And the y-intercept is just our c value. So for this example, our y-intercept is 0, -5. Let's do one more example. So again, we'll list out our a, b, and c. Our a is 2, b is -12, and c is 3. So the first thing we're going to find is our vertex. And to do that, we're going to use the formula, the opposite of b over 2a. So that's going to be +12 over 2 times 2. That simplifies to 12 over 4, which simplifies to 3. So 3 is the x value of our vertex. And to find the y value, we're going to substitute this into all of our x's. So let's quickly substitute this into all of the x's in the equation. And then we follow order of operations. So 3 squared is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, minus 12 times 3 is 36, plus 3. And then 18 minus 36 plus 3 is -15. And that's where our vertex is. Our axis of symmetry always goes through the x value of our vertex. So since we already have that, it's going to be x equals 3. And the y-intercept is our c value, and that is up here, so that is going to be 0, 3. All right, that concludes our lesson on finding critical points from standard form. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those questions in the comment section below. And for more math tutorials, subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.